See? That is just... Try the camera. Look at it. Anyways.
It's 7:47.
Anyways, yeah. That was awesome. I'm a video camera the whole entire thing. I don't care what they tell me to do. I'm a video camera, right, Daniel? Be awesome. The rest of the night, video cameraing. In the dark. I don't want to go outside.
I kind of want to.
Kinda. Not right now.
So much.
That is really creepy.
Oh.
Gene, don't even say it.
Wait, first?
Stop it.
He has a girlfriend.
No, I don't have a girlfriend.
He's engaged.
Scandalous,
Carl.
Yeah.
Oh, that's horrible.
I know, and I almost
Sorry.
I
I don't like the setup we have.
I know. I think they should go take your seat. Yeah.
Gene!
Hello, John Swag.
Hi, Gene. Don't bend your arm, Arna. A hand, wrist, whatever.
Yeah, he probably tweeted. Go check.
Turn off their internet.
Yeah. I think it's like, you know, like in the 30s.
I told you my arm is tired. I can't beat it. Maybe G, but I beat G. I told scissors so,
Okay, wait.
and then my confidence got all up, and then Mitchell's.
Oh, I hated that. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on, I beat Hans, you can beat him.
Dude, don't go spreading that around.
I hit you once. That was awesome.
All you have to do is say,
Oh! Oh! Oh my god, this is horrible! Very fun! Oh! Oh my god, don't hide behind me! Oh my god! Oh, my thumb is already numb! It's not that cold. Until your thumbs start again. Hi! Oh my god. That was fun. Right, Dylan?
Sure will taste like salad.
Yeah.
No, there's actually snow outside.
Yeah, I know there is, and that's it's actually staying.
Uh-huh.
When Lotka's supposed to go to Mexico.
Was it snow? Rain last night?
Kinda, yeah.
My hair is full.
Hi.
You had fun?
Yeah, that was fun.
That's good.
Where did Peter go?
Oh, I told Peter I was gonna make him hug
Not
me.
even snow, it's powder.
Yeah, I know.
No! 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 Fuck you! You guys are going to hell and you know it. Bastards!
What if it was open? Let's make snow angels now.
Let's go around.
No, I'm gonna make a snow angel first. Hurry up, it's cold. Make that angel. Hurry up! Let's go! Get out of here! Door's open, go, go, go. No! John! No. It's locked. I can get the door open.
Let's just go. It's cold.
Bastard! The door's open! Eric, door open! Oh my god!
Keep it open! No! Thank you. I hate my friends with a passion. They locked us out.
Oh my.
Where's Peter?
Where are they? They're dead men. Oh.
Jules fell.
Throw it at Dylan.
No, don't throw it at Dylan.
No one's got Dylan yet.
Oh my god. Hi, Trina. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god.
Oh god, what the hell? Oh, I got my glasses.
Good. Nice. I'm gonna rip high to the people. My foot. What? Oh my god, stop it! I have like snow in my shoes. You guys are mean. Stop. I'm getting my... This is the worst idea ever.
You know how wet you're gonna be in next class.
Okay, back outside.
My hands are cold. What no?
Haha.
I'm fun.
Don't. Dylan almost hit ya. I have no idea if anyone could see anything through this camera right now.
Can't feel my fingers. Trina, that's a bit overkill.
Fail!
I wasn't aiming for you.
I know, but you still failed at her.
Actually, you know what?
Oh, it's cold! You got it in the face! It went through my shirt.
I feel my finger. I can't feel my arm.
Oh my god. No, I want. Oh.
It's very slimming.
No! No one has me! I need my shield.
Oh my god, you're
I trust Tessie. Go! Go! Go before we change our mind! Freezing!
It's pretty bright.
Okay, we gotta find a good pad. We gotta find a good pad. Oh, right here! Wait, let's go right there. How deep it is. It's really deep. Okay, here, hold. Okay. Okay. I mean, it's not deep! Okay, ready?
Is it just me or is this thing kind of retarded?
Go!
How do y'all know this is pretty retarded? I know I do.
Manly man. Oh god, that's cold.
Pull you down because you're so hot.
Yeah.
That was so retarded.
I did this yesterday. I'm all good today.
Love
And love emo people.
They cut each other.
They cut each other. Yeah, that'd be pretty bad. I can't even tell what I'm pointing at. Oh, yeah.